Hey guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge World. In this video we will discuss the second part of VBA. Means in the first part we are discussing about unlocking the power of VBA. Means we are giving the theoretical part of VBA, that what is VBA and why it is important for the general Excel users, like in the users like the professional or maybe student. It is depend upon their situation. So in the first part, if you're not watching, so still you can click on this video. We will share this link in our comment box also and our captions, so you can click out there and get the first part of VBA. But in the second part we are discussing about the example that how we are using the VBA coding in a simple way that beginner could be understand and utilize that coding for their references. So let's start the video without any delay. You already know that what is the VBA. VBA is a Visual Basic application. So in the generating VBA coding in an Excel can be useful for the automating repetitive tasks, performing complex calculations or interacting with the other applications. Here are some examples to understand what is VBA coding. So guys, the first example in this video we are discussing, that is sum up all the values in a specific column and display the result in a message box. Means it will be calculate the complete column of A2 to something how it is long, and it gives the result with the some message or some text. So let's start this. We will open the Excel first of all. When we open the Excel, in this case you are getting the developer tab, but if you're not seeing this developer tab in your Excel, so first of all you have to go the file tab, and file tab option you get the option part, then you will get the customize ribbon, and in the main tab you will get the developer. When you click out there, it's showing add or remove option, but we have already added this, so we will not add again to the developer tab. So we will close this, and now we will move to developer tab. Why we are using developer tab? Because in the first option in the developer tab it is showing Visual Basic coding part, means Visual Basic editor. Okay, so there are two options that you can go in the developer tab and click on the Visual Basic editor, or you can use the shortcut key that Alt plus F11, which is already showing in below message. So we will put Alt F11 and we get the editor mode in the coding part, and the result will be showing in the Excel world. So first of all we are click on this workbook, means this workbook we are using the coding. Okay, and workbook is showing this one. The book one is called the workbook in the terms of VBA. So here we use the coding like which we already mentioned. We will just copy and paste right now to understand and save the time of us. This. Okay. So first of all we will see that after coding what is the result showing. Suppose in the Excel format, here is the some header like total. Okay, and write down we will write some numerical values like random, rand between function, and write down the 22 200, enter, and copy this value, this formula till A15 and control D. So this formula is copied till A15. Now we will remove this formula and use the value as a value. So first of all we copy this and paste special and paste in a value tab. Now the formula has been removed, and this is all are showing as a numerical value. Now we go to the VBA and click off F5. Okay guys, F5 we will clicking out, and result will show 1432. That is mean the total of this numerical value is 1432. To check it out this value is correct or not, we will use equal sum and select the criteria and then enter. So it is also showing the same value total. So means we are this is showing the correct result which we getting in the formula also. So now we will define what is we use in this code part. So it is compulsory. You have to start this from sub function and at the last you have to write and sub. Got it? Then we are mention the dim ws as worksheet. Dim means होता है in this case the dim is that is a declare variable. Got it? Dim is used to a declared variable. And next is ws. Ws is as a worksheet. Got it? Which is already mentioned here. Then the last row. Last row is showing as the row of data, means row of data which is there. That is a last row. Then sum result. Sum result is as a double. So sum result. The sum result for storing the sum and I for loop the counter. Then second statement we use set the worksheet where your data is located. In this we write this set ws equal to this workbook worksheet and sheet 1. Means in this case we have defined that from that where our data is saved, means that is a workbook. In the worksheet, that is complete workbook. Okay, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 is called a workbook. In this worksheet is a sheet 1. So we are mentioning that in the second point, that is the last row is equal to ws.Cell. ws means हो गया worksheet.Cell, then worksheet row, then count, then a and with the and dot well. Means we are share the criteria. It means there is a criteria. If we write down same formula again, same this to rest of the cells also, then it will be calculated automatically till that row. So this is there is no limit of a column. Then third we have write the sum result. In the sum result we have said that for the loop initiated the second row, that is we have already discussed. Then next is the I is equal to 2 to the last row. So for the loop initiated from the second row, I is equal to 2 to the last row, adding each cell value to the sum. Okay, and at the last we have write down the message box. Message box was means if we write down something code in under this, so it is called the message when the result comes. Suppose in this case when we type F5, it is showing the sum of value in column A. Got it? So which if we write something in there under this column, so it will show at the time of result with the answer. Means that statement will be show at the time of result. Got it? So this is a complete code, and last it is closed by the end sum. So now I hope you have understand what we have write down this code. We will copy and paste this code in our caption also, so you can get or copy that code to your practice and your routine work. And if it will be helpful for you, then please comment on us. So thanks for your giving us the time and support to understand the concept of VBA and the example of VBA, that how we use the VBA code in the practical requirements and practical queries. So we will be meet you again in the next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for your subscriber.